I did not know. Like, hold up. I did not know that it was going to give me a whole box situation. Okay, I'm getting actually really surprised. First of all, I just want to talk about the afro. The afro. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about a new goodie that I am so in love with already. All right, y'all. So we're going to be talking about is the Disco collection by Juvia's Place and Fumi. Look at this look. Yes, ma'am. We are about to get into it. But also what we're going to be talking about today is the new L'Oreal Paris. This is the Air Volume Mega Mascara. I'm gonna talk a little bit about this as well. So before I get all the way into it though, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So y'all, this is another product from what I got from Christmas. This came in right before Christmas. I was not expecting it to. I was wondering why the box was so big, and I don't know why I didn't think of it's a collection. So you're not just getting 2 items, which this comes with, but you're gonna get the whole cute set. So this box, I'm like definitely keeping it. So with this packaging, you do see Fumi in the front, and she does have pretty much a crystallized, diamondized afro. She has her blue look, the nice bright lip, and then she has the cute little hoop earrings and a beautiful necklace. First of all, I just wanna talk about the afro. The afro. That is like my motto, like, diamonds in my fro. We have afros, put diamonds in it. Put diamonds and crystals in it. Why not? Why not? From this right here, guys, you literally, it's a little stopper here, like a little magnetic closure. You just open it up, pop it open, and this is the inside. I love this packaging. It is so simple, but still, I was not expecting all of this from just 2 items. I was like, what? This is a lot. They do give you the gloss, and they also give you the palette. So it has the cute Disco Party Fumi X Juvia's little palette. This says on the back, who doesn't love to get ready for a night out to a great party? Getting your clothes ready, putting on music, sitting down to apply your makeup, celebrating life and having fun. And I hope you enjoy this palette as much as I enjoyed creating it. All right, Fumi. 2 glitters and 1 shadow, and then 1 pressed pigment in this cute little palette. Baby little palette. I was like, oh, it's so little, but I love it. So it has Fumi on the front with the crystallized afro. Love that. And then when you open it, look at that. Look at those colors. Like, come on. So we're just gonna get into the names. This one is All Night Long. This one is Dance With Me. And I believe this was DJ. Nope, Cocktail, and then DJ. And let's get into the packaging with the lip gloss as well. I loved all this packaging, all this blue. I'm like, I don't even like blue like that, but you're making me love it. So with the Disco Fever lip gloss, it comes in a skinny box, little packaging. It does have the ingredients on the back, and it does tell you on the back, lightweight, non-tacky, long-lasting, high shine. Yes. And then one thing I love about this too, you just slide it out. Boop, and there is the lip gloss. I was like, this is really Christmas, because you know, as an adult, we just like, oh, I'll buy my gifts, or I'll treat myself outright. But I bought this treating myself, like, oh, I'll get the 2 little items in there. It gave me a whole, like, here's a whole grand display. Just a nice little surprise. So if you guys want this beautiful disco, very New Year's glam, if you want this look, just stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today over actually all these things. It's a lot of things going on here. So I'm going to dig into the glitters first. I'm just go into it. The glitters. Now, again on this channel, I do not like glitters at all. I don't like glitters at all. I have to admit, this glitter right here, that kind of blackened platinum silver one, it is so cool because when you do kind of blend it out or smear it out, it has a black background but platinum silver bright glitter on top of it. It's like a smoky glitter 2-in-1 situation. I don't know why I like that. I mean, I wasn't expecting the black underneath the silver, but I'm obsessed with that glitter. I don't care for glitter, but I like this glitter. I like the black with the silver platinum on top. I was not expecting that. I thought, oh, it's a silver one. You know, I'm gonna play around with it, put it on top of something for New Year's. There you go. But that black underneath it is so cool. I bet on the smoky eyes even more intense because it has that black background again and the silver platinum on there. So I'm just gonna swatch this real quick just to see if I can show you. Usually I have to kind of separate it for you to see because the glitters are thicker, but see, yeah, you can see the black, and when you smear it or rub it out, you see it's like smoky platinum kind of color. I love that. Dance with me. The beautiful blue royal shade is a traditional matte shade, but it does blend out very nicely. As you can see, that's mainly what I use on my eyes to just do a blown out blue smoky eye. This blue is not any different from any of the blue I had, but it did perform very, very well. So Cocktail out the palette is going to be my least favorite. I feel like that blue is just, it doesn't compete with that silver. That one just comes 2-in-1. It's a good bang for your buck. The blue one to me is kind of things that we have seen. I'm gonna show you just the difference of them together. Kind of like a traditional pressed blue glitter. And last but not least is DJ. So it is like a duochrome, I believe. It's really, really a deep teal with a little bit of green shift in it. I did throw that on top of the matte blue shade. And I like the transition of it. I think it's very, very pretty, very smooth to your finger, and just very, very blendable with your finger and a brush. So DJ was a really, really good one. So overall, out of the palette, my favorite is going to be actually All Night Long and DJ, which is the first. I never like glitters, but those are my favorite out of this palette. I think it's a cute, workable palette if you love blue and need just the traditional different blues that you want a glitter, a sheen, 2 different color kind of glitters. You will like this palette, especially that smoky, it's like 2-in-1, like a black smoky silver pressed glitter. It's dope, it's dope, you'll love it. Next one I'm going to bring up is the Disco Fever lip gloss. So the Disco Fever lip gloss, first of all, the packaging is cute, simple to it, bam, pop it off, open it up. All right, this gloss, they're right, it is non-sticky, it is very lightweight, very smooth. And this, y'all, the consistency of this lip gloss. Look at the shades. This lip gloss literally is the consistency of, and it's less sticky than the MAC Dazzle glasses. It literally is just pretty much the same. It smells the same. It literally smells the same because you know those Dazzle glasses were sticky as hell. And you know what else with the shade? They have the nerve to make this shade kind of like the Fenty Diamond Milk. So they're giving me 2 of like my favorite kind of consistencies and smells of gloss. It has that Fenty gloss, the Diamond Milk. It has the color of it, but then it has the smell and kind of the texture of the Dazzle glasses, but it's still not as sticky as the MAC Dazzle glass. This is my favorite gloss out of a lot of their glosses. Like, keep this consistency, keep this style, the smell, the consistency of the gloss, the shimmer level they have. This gloss is so good. Like when I opened it and I just smelled it, I was like, the slipperiness of this lip gloss is bomb. It's like, it's so good, nice and moisturizing. So if you need just a nice clear gloss, but it has a little of that sparkle in there, kind of like the Diamond Milk Fenty thing, it gives you that, just like that Fenty gloss and the MAC Dazzle glasses, but without that stickiness. Yes, ma'am. And without that price tag of the Fenty one and the MAC one. Shoot. So I advise people, if you don't get anything from this collection, you better get this gloss. You better get this gloss. So next I'm going to be talking about is the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Mega Mascara. I don't like the bristles on the brush. I love the packaging. I think they were smart with the packaging. It makes it look like a balloon, like it's air. I feel like what I usually use, guys, in my videos, even my lash haul videos, go check those out, by the way. I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And let me show the difference between the wands of why I love this one versus the L'Oreal Paris one. Look at the Maybelline one and then look at this L'Oreal one. See the curve, the dip? See, it has a dip, a curve. I get my bottom, I get my top. I don't really care for this one too much. I still will stick to my Maybelline one. I really, really love this whole collection. I thought it was very, very well done. Even though it was a mini little collection with a little palette and a little gloss. I was not expecting that box. That was a nice little Christmas gift that I planned to get it, but I wasn't planning to get it. You know what I mean? I really, really love this set, y'all. I advise you to pick it up. Pick it up for yourself for New Year's, after Christmas present. It's under $30. I think that's really, really affordable. And I just love it. Like, look at that. Look at that diamond fro. So again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Which one is your favorite item? Is it the palette or the gloss? Don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.